What if the pyramids were never built? What if they were revealed? For thousands of years, we've asked the same question. How did they do it? The ramps, the tools, the machines. And maybe we've been asking the wrong question all along. We cannot understand the pyramids without understanding time. These structures are not just old, they are ancient beyond intuition. Cleopatra lived closer to the invention of the smartphone than to the construction of the Great Pyramid. The Romans toured the pyramids the way we tour ruins today. Across that vast ocean of time, clarity fades, but the pyramids remain. The Great Pyramid rises 146 meters into the sky, built from more than 2.3 million stone blocks. Its base is almost a perfect square, off by mere centimeters. Its sides rise at an angle so precise that even the smallest error at the bottom would become a catastrophe at the top. And the entire structure aligns with true north with an error of just 1/15 of a degree. No compasses, no lasers, no GPS, only the stars. Still, if any civilization could achieve this, it would be ancient Egypt. Each year, the Nile flooded the land, turning the valley into abundance. Enough food to support tens of thousands who were not farmers, but builders, planners, engineers. Egypt possessed something rare in the ancient world: time, stability, labor, and patience. They recorded everything. We know who worked, we know how they were paid, we know where they lived. They were not slaves. They were skilled craftsmen. And yet, the one thing missing is how the pyramids were built. Over centuries, theories multiplied. Long ramps, spiral ramps, internal passages, counterweights, water systems. Most of them work until they reach the top. Because the apex, that sharp, perfect point, is the hardest part of all. What if the pyramid shape was never the starting point? What if the Great Pyramid was not built upward, but carved downward? Instead of stacking stone, the builders created a massive structure, wide, stable, and forgiving. And only at the very end did they carve away the excess, revealing the pyramid beneath. The excess stone was not wasted, it was reused. This aligns perfectly with Egyptian thinking. They recycled everything. Boats became furniture. Furniture became tools. Perhaps the missing evidence was never lost. Perhaps it was removed on purpose. In science, proof is absolute. But archaeology lives in uncertainty. We cannot rebuild the Great Pyramid. All we can do is search for the explanation that leaves the fewest contradictions. Maybe we will never know for sure. And maybe that is the point. In a world of instant answers, the pyramids remain a question, not to be conquered, but contemplated. What do you think? If this story made you pause, breathe, or see the ancient world differently, welcome to Stories That Awaken. Here, we don't chase noise, we listen for meaning. If this story awakened something within you, support the journey. Like, share, subscribe.